Magandang buhay sa lahat. Another love team crossover. After more than 10 years since their last project, Julia Barreto and Enrique Hill are working together again for a new television drama series. At ganun din, sina James Reid and Catherine Bernardo. Ito ang mga love teams crossover na magtatambol sa television. Nagpahayag ng excitement si Julia Barreto sa muli nilang pagtatambal ni Enrique Hill. Ayon sa dalaga, excited ako. Na-pitch ito sa akin. I guess, 1 year ago na rin. I'm really excited that Enrique is on board. Because the last time na nagkatrabaho kami ni Ken was in Mirabella. I was 16, 17 years old. So that was 2014. More than a decade ago. So I'm excited for this reunion series. And I'm really looking forward to working with Ken again. Crossover love teams na magsasama sina Enrique Hill and Julia Barreto, Catherine Bernardo and James Reid. Both sides ay excited na ang kani-kanilang mga fans. Trabaho lang ito, lalo't mga artista sila. At walang personalan.